Python extend for a dictionary. What is the best way to extend a dictionary with another one while avoiding the use of a for loop? For instance, result. Something like
latest Python standard library documentation.
A beautiful gem in this closed question. The one-liner way, altering neither of the input dicts, is learn what basket_2, the, means here. In case of conflict, the items from basket_2 will override the ones from basket_1. As one-liners go, this is pretty readable and transparent, and I have no compunction against using it any time a dict that's a mix of two others comes in handy. Any reader who has trouble understanding it will in fact be very well served by the way this prompts him or her towards learning about dict and the form. So, for example, uses like are reasonably frequent occurrences in my code. Originally submitted by Alex Martelli. Note, in Python 3, this will only work if every key in basket_2 is a string.
Have you tried using dictionary comprehension with dictionary mapping? Another way of doing is by using dictiterable, cork. In Python 3.9 you can add toDict using union operator.
We'll add keys and values from B to A, overwriting if there's already a value for a key.
If you want to see more, please consider subscribing.